Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my video. Now, this is one of a kind website. It's new and it's different. I'm showing you guys how to create a company website, Courier company website with WordPress. This is good. This is nice. I'll show you guys how we're able to achieve all these results and how you'll be able to edit this to get started. And this is all free versions. Now, let me just navigate to the tracking section. Now, this is the tracking section, which is nice, as you can see. So sleek. I can see all this. I know you guys will wonder how we're able to get this. Do not worry, just sit back and relax. Ensure to watch this video from the start to the ending. See you guys in the next segment. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. In today's video is all about how to create your WordPress website. Now I want to show you guys two things. First thing, we're creating a WordPress website from scratch, and also what kind of website are we creating using WordPress? This is a delivery website. Now this is kind of free. You can't get this anywhere online. I'm using just free versions and it will still be standard. Okay, so the very first thing, now this is my website. It's empty, as you can see. I have created my company email. I'm using Hostinger for this video section, so you can also use Hostinger if you want to use it, or you can use any cPanel you're using. It's acceptable. So if you're using a cPanel, the very first thing you do is you go to your cPanel. You get to see our softwares. Locate Softaculous, you get it, and click on it. Then you see WordPress and follow the prompt. It's very easy to do using cPanel. Now, if you're using Hostinger, due to the different front section, first thing, go and create your company email, which is easy. Go to email account, create your company email. It's very easy. And the next thing, you come to where you have websites. Then you go to WordPress install. So it takes you to this page. Now we have two types here, which is detect WordPress and also install WordPress. So we're installing WordPress from scratch. If you have a WordPress on your file manager which you downloaded manually, just click on detect WordPress. Okay, so I'll click on install WordPress. So it takes you to this section. Then you title the website what we're creating. Let me just say Big Giant Tech Courier. You get it. So I'll put in my administrator email, which is the email you created, your company email. So I'll put in my username. Let me just say admin. Then my password. Let's put this as my password. So let me just save this password. Good. Then I'll click what's next. As you can see, this is the recommended version of WordPress. I'll leave it this way. Okay. Update only to minor version. Always update to latest version. Update to minor version depend on where you're getting your template from. So it's always good you purchase your template. If you're getting your template from a source that isn't legit, note this: most of the templates do not work with higher version of WordPress. It's very important. So I'll just go to always update to latest version and install. Now this is installing the WordPress. So as you can see, it has installed the WordPress. Now it shows you most of security information you can do. And before I go straight to the WordPress, you can also flush cache. It depends on the hosting you're using. If you're using a cPanel that doesn't not have most of these recommendations, you won't say it. Now using a Hostinger higher version gives you object cache. Object cache is very important for the size of your website and also the advancement of your website, which is very important. You get it. Now, secondly, I'm using Hostinger for a reason. Now, if you click on my bio, go to my YouTube channel, you see my bio, Hostinger affiliate. You can click on it. You get a reduced price when purchasing for any of the hosts. So I just urge you guys to tool that is very important. If you want to get a direct link, you can message me on WhatsApp. Go to my bio, you see my WhatsApp number. Also, just message me. I will give you a discount. Purchase on Hostinga using my link, and you get a discount, a reduced price. You get it. And the next section is just scroll down. You can install this to be able to navigate through Hostinga to your website. Now, this is Hostinga Affiliate 2. You can use this. Now, for those into affiliate, you can do this, but I won't do that for now. So I'm just going through most of the plugins you are given. Now you can see all this. Now install another WordPress if you want to. I won't do that. So I'm just showing you guys things to do. If you come to security sections, just leave it this way. Now the installed theme is this. Good. So I'll go back to overview, and this is it creates your database for you, so you don't need to do that anymore. So I'll just go straight to WordPress admin. If I go to my website, I'll reload the section. Like you can see, we have successfully installed our WordPress website. It's very easy using Hostinga or using any cPanel. It's very easy. So without further ado, let me just go straight to WordPress. Now this is WordPress. Then click on dashboard. Now this is it. Next section is go to appearance and go to themes. So let's search on a theme. Go to add theme. So we're using free theme for this video purpose. You get it? I don't have a license to use any paid themes. You understand? So let's see if we can get a free theme for Courier. Good. We got so many free themes to use, which is nice. Now you can see we have different kind of templates. Wow, this is good. So let me just pick one. So I won't go through all the details. It's easy. So I'll just use this transport service. I'll click on install. Good. This has been installed. Then I'll activate this. Nice. Now this says the live demo. You can buy most of the premium version of it. So if I come back to my website, let me reload this section. Good. I can see it is. Wow, this is good. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. We've created a website under 1 minute. Under 1 minute. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. The subscriber is very important to me. It helps me to create more of this kind of videos. So this is good. Now the next section is I'll just show you guys how to edit this. So go back to your WordPress admin. So guys, after installing the WordPress theme, which is a Courier theme, this is good. Now most of the features here are free. Now once you click on customize, it will have most of the advantage, because most scripts won't give you certain advantages. So I'll go back to dashboard. I'll go back to themes. I'm just coming and click themes edit, theme details. Like you can see, if I click on customize, it takes you to the site editor. Now this section you're able to customize most of the information, because this is a free template. Good. Now you can see we're able to navigate this. Once you click on it, it takes you to the site WordPress site editor. Click on get started. Good. So if you want to change anything, just click on it. Now this is navigation sections. Now we have options of choosing a different kind of navigations here. Now this is it. You can just select any of your choice. So let me just scroll a little bit. So I need to change let me say this section. Now here we'll just have to write something if you want. You can see. So how to use the free themes and do it the best way. Good. So change it to your company email. It's very easy to do. So what you just click on it and click edit. Copy your company email. So I'll just change this to my company email and take from here and stop here and put it this way. Now click what save. Do the same thing for the phone number. Edit this pane and get it. I'll just click what save. Now this is good. Now this is the navigation section. Once you click on it, let me just go back again and show you guys. If you click on this section here, you can see template. This is the block. Oh yeah, code blocks. So I'm clicking on this block. I want to remove this section. This is buy now. Let me see. So okay. So let me just do it this way, and then I'll just click here, click the option section and remove buy now. You can see we've removed this section. This is the navigation button. Now I'll come back to this tracking section. So I'm just showing you guys how to edit. I'll come back to the tracking information. So the next section here is this. So you want to do any editing, just come here and click on it and you put to write up. Same thing for the codes. This code will lead you to, it's ought to lead you to your contact us. If you put a link here, put your contact us button. So I won't do that now. So let me just scroll down, and if you want to change all this editing, you can see, just tap on it and right. If you want to do the image section here, this is fixed. Okay, come to this. Once you click on the image, and this is the image section, you can just drag and you can see what I'm doing. Good. So I'm just looking for an option to change this. Now this should be linked. You can put a link here to a blog post if you want. So I'll just leave it this way. Good. So these are easy to edit. I'll just show you guys. Just click on it. You'll be able to edit this and click on this image. Now, once you click on the image, you're able to edit most of this information. And this is image section here. You go to gallery. So these are just the image section here. So let me change this from gallery. You can see this has been bold. So this is quite easy though. So once you've done with this, you can do the same star here. So after you've done with that, just keep on scrolling. Now this section here, I don't think it's needed. If you want to take this out, this should be, let me see if there's a blog section. Now this should be your blog section. Okay, then you take this is a blog section. So after you've done with all these settings, just click what save. It has been saved, right? So I go back to my WordPress website and reload. Now you can see most of the settings we did. You can see this is it. These are the editing is being done. So I'll go back to WordPress. Good. So I want to come back to WordPress section. So the next section is, if you go to pages, let's say if you have any page available, this is the only page available here. Okay, so go to plugins. Let's install our Courier company plugin. So I'll go to search your WP cargo. Sorry, it's not installed. So go to add plugin. Then if you have the WP Cargo premium team, just go to upload and upload the zip file. But if you don't have it, come to add plugin, go to search WP Cargo. So I'll click on install. Then I'll click on activate. Using WordPress most times give a newbie various advantage on adding several kind of advanced code just in one particular website, which I found so fascinating most times. And I'll click on, okay, this is activated already. And you can see this is WP Cargo. Then go to WP Cargo and go to general settings. Now this section here, you just have to be patient and watch this. Very, very important how to do the setup. It's very important. Now, hard type achievements. So hard type achievements, now you have air freight, international, you have truck. Let me just put here, so let me say rider. Good. Next section is we have C. So hard shipping mode, sea, transport, land shipping, air freight, which is good. All these are shipping locations. Like you understand all country locations here. Now, add your shipment carrier. We have DHL. So I'm using my own carrier. Let me just say, let me abbreviate my domain name big. Something like this. Okay, Big Giant Tech Courier Company. Please, if this looks like any company online, let me just change it to avoid issues. Okay, something like this. Now, add shipment payment mode. We have card, check, bank transfers. Let me just say this should be crypto. Now, these are shipping status. You get to see pending, picked up, and old, delivery. Then let me just put something like custom. You get it. Always start with capital letter. Then, if you have logo, let me just upload my shipment logo. I don't really have a logo. Let me just upload any logo. So just click on upload logo. Now you can see the size is the logo size should be 190 by 60. Now I'll click on select file. So I've uploaded this, and always ensure to put alternative text because you're using WordPress. WordPress has advantage using WordPress is the SEO part. So I'll just put this as a big giant tag. I can also change this title, very important. And this is good. So you have to short this so you're able to see the select. After you've done it, just click what? Select. So this is it. So I've uploaded. Now for the tracking page settings, select the page. Use track. You get it? Use track. Now this will create a page automatically, but you just have to copy this cargo underscore track form. Just put it in your design. I'll show you guys how to do that. Let me just copy this and save. Though despite you saying this, you can use any WordPress templates for the front end. You can use any, it's very important. So you can change the font family for your design if you want to do that. Enable restrict duplicate shipment number. Yes. I'll change this to then this should be cargo. Take this to, can we just leave it as cargo? Then 12 digits, yes. Now enable time zone for enable user time zone, yes. Allow us to update shipment history, just admin. disable email for employee. Yes, disable this for agent and leave this for the users. I'll click save changes. The font size, okay, let me just put 10. If 10 is not okay, I'll come back and change it. It's very easy. Then click on save changes. Good. Next section is I'll go straight to multiple package. Now enable multiple package, yes. Okay. Now piece type selection, you can add more, like you have palette, carton, crate, loose. Add more of this if you want to, which is a package kind of type. The way your parcel is being packaged, you get it. Always ensure to click save settings after you've done it. I'll click on map settings. Enable shipment history map, yes. Display map in result page, yes. Now there's one thing important here. Map type. You can use terrain, road map, satellites. Let me just say satellites. The zoom level. Let me use streets, city. No, yeah, city. But the downside here is you have to use Google API. So there's no API for now. But once you go to Google, get API key. You can say it's very easy to do. Yeah, based on time for this video, just get enable API. Enable the map API section. So there are more to it. I don't want to go too deep, I guess. So it takes it to these sections. Yeah, enable map API. It wants you to sign up. Most times it's not free. You get to use it for free for the main time. Then click on enable. So after some while, depending on your usage for the users, you get to pay. So takes it to agree and continue. Now I'm not using card for this section, so I'll just show you guys how to do it. So once you put your card and continue with Google, definitely you get your API. It's very easy. So let me just X this section. So after you've done that, just click what save settings. Then you go to client email settings, which is very important. Now activate client email settings, yes. Select the email status for users to receive. I'll select all. Very important. Now the domain email should be your company email. So there are a lot of things to do using WordPress. You get it? So I don't want to just go too deep because of time frame, but I'll give you guys the best way to get started with it, and the rest editing sections you can just do it yourself. It's not that difficult. So you can also change all these informations. This is the footer section. This is the message content, and this curly braces and the information inside are given. These are the information. If you are a developer, you're able to add and customize it yourself. Then click on save changes. Now go to admin email settings. Now do the same thing. If you want admin to receive most of this information, let me just do the same thing here. Then here, domain name, domain email, this is it. Then I'll click what save changes. I think we're good to go. We're good to go here. Now we've done this for all the settings. So there are other settings to do, but I'll show you guys as we continue. So I'll go to shipment. If you go to shipment, now this section here, before I get started with this, so let's add, if we go back to our query, let's add our tracking shipment here, and also add a shipment section here. So let's get right on with that. Go back to this. Let's see. So to get our link, so let me go to page, and once you come to pages, this is the tracking information. Then I'll click on view. You can see how it is. This is the tracking page, track underscore form. You get it. So I'll go back here, and what I'll do is I'll just right click on this and copy link address. Okay, so I'll go back to appearance and themes. I'll click on themes details. So I'll go back to go to tools, go to go back to themes, go to editor. So this is the editor section. We're back here. Okay, so what I'm doing is just click on it. It takes it to the WordPress site editor. So I'll click on this navigation section. Remember, if you click on this, you're able to change this header section. This is the header. Header comprises of your logo, your navigation bar, and these sections. So I just want to edit the individual section here. So go to track shipment, and let's see. Add a menu link. Then just Control A or Command A on this particular track shipment and click on link. Edit this, and here just paste my link and save. So like this, we have linked this section here, which is very important. So the next section here is, let's see if we can add a block. I want the delivery should be track delivery here. Let's see. Now I click on this section, just over here, and you see this plus section and add block. Now if you're using Elementor, it should be very easy. So my next video will be on how to use Elementor to design. You get it, it's very easy. And also Elementor, you have to use the premium version, which is quite interesting. Okay, let's see, we don't have any. Just click on browse all. So let's see what we need to add here. To add that tracking information, they will need a short code. Okay, let's see if we have short code. We have short code here. Okay, if we click on short code and copy this information and just paste it here, then click on save. So this is not the right way to do it, but let me just show you guys, just in case you come across using short code, and reload the section. Now this is the short code section here. So we need to be able to design this section with the CSS. So I'll be doing that for this video section. Okay, so once you add your tracking result here, let me just navigate to the mobile section. Let's see. So this is how it will look in mobile. You can see this is how it will look in the mobile section. Not that bad. So I'll take this way, and let's put this in the middle. Go back to your editor. Let's see if we have options. Okay, by using shortcode, we're unable to do this. Okay, unable to do this. That's why you need to install Elementor. When you install Elementor, you need the Pro version, which gives you more insights. You get it? So let's say, in order to just move this shortcode to the middle, So we don't have that features here. But I was thinking if we add something else, we won't be able to add a block, and so just leave it this way. So the advice is you have to use Elementor for most advanced editing while using WordPress. If you're new to coding or developing, going straight to CSS will increase the time frame. Get it? So let me just exit this section. We've saved this already. I'll just click on WordPress. Now this is good. One more thing is once you go to shipments, go to all shipments. There are things we haven't done yet. So once you're going to add new shipment, now this is the number. Now you can see for the client's email, there's nothing. Select employee, there's nothing. So we need to create, assign a shipment for client's email and employee. This client section here is the agent and employee. Doesn't matter if. So I'll come back to that section. To do this section here, you need to assign a user for this. So let's create a user. Go to all users. This is the admin. Go to add users. So let me just fill out this information. So this is it. I just put agent@biggianttech.com. So for the role section, change this role section. Let's see, change this to WP Cargo agents. You understand? Click on add users. Now you go back again and create for employee. Add users for the employees. Let me do the same information again. So I'll change this role section to employee and add users. Good. We've added for agent and employee. So I'll go back to shipment section. So this is all shipment. Then go to add new shipment. Now I want us to know something. If we add this shipment, most times the emails will just go to spam or the emails won't work. Now I have my inbox already. We've created a new users. So go back here again. Go to plugins. Go to add new plugin. Then this plugin section here, search on SMTP. So we're using webmail SMTP, and install this section and activate. Now just follow the prompts. This is the wizard setup section. So I'll click on setup. Let's get started. So let's choose our SMTP. I'll go with other SMTP. If you have Amazon SES, if you have Mailjet, if you have any of this, you can just use it and put your API. So use other SMTP. I'll click on save and continue. Now SMTP host. For using cPanel, once you create your email account, it's very easy. Go to your inbox. Your very first message you get is your mail configuration settings, which is okay. Your mail configuration settings. Then you're able to see your SMTP outgoing server. So just copy it. Your SMTP for Hostinga is smtp.hostinga.com. If you're using cPanel, it might be mail.biggianttech.com or biggianttech, or they'll give you their own server. Just copy and paste. Good. So ensure to put it to SSL. Okay. Enable authentication. Just do it that way. For the username, should be your email account. Then for your password, just copy your email password. The email password you created, not the one you just put here. It won't work. Okay. The email password you created while creating your email, put it here. Yes, this way, first name for any of them. This is good. Now click on save and continue. So I'll take this back, and also, so all these are the pro version. I'll just take this and click save and continue. Good. So do the same thing here. Skip this. It's checking the mailer configuration settings. Now it wants us to install this information. Let me just explain one particular thing here. If you're using code snippet by this code will allow you to upload if you have a live chat, if you have any kind of information you need to add. It's very easy and good for you guys to use if you're new to WordPress. But maybe other videos, time to come, I'll show you guys on how to use all this. Here I'll click on finish setup. So I haven't tested this email, I guess. So all our settings are good. So let me just go back to this again. So in case you guys are doing it, just test it. We've done it already, just click continue. Then click on go to send a test email. So it takes you to this section. Go to send email. So I send the email to my domain. You can see it's working. You send it to Gmail to still go. So it's very important to test, just in case you need some information. Let me go back to tools. So let me just take this to my other domain, to Gmail. So you guys will also see. Now this helps if you're using any platform. You can say it is working perfectly well. There won't be issues of email not sending or issues of your tracking information not sending to your users. So I'll go back to add shipments. Go to add shipments. Now this is our shipment logo. So okay, for the client we haven't done that, so go back to users. You can go to add users again. Let's just for client section. Good. So I'll just come back here and change this to for the clients WP cargo client and add users. Good. Now the next section is I'll go to shipment, go to add new shipment. Now select for the client section, go to clients, just select all this. Good. Now for the shipper information, shipper name should be who is shipping the product. Might not be the company. There are two different things here. We have shipper details, we have receiver details. If I'm the one sending to someone in Nigeria, they'll put my name for shipper information. And also the receiver will be the person receiving the item, not necessarily the company's information. So let me just put the company information for this video example. So I've added the information. This is for the receiver, as I explained. Now type of shipment, I'll come down here and select type of shipment. I'm using air freight. Then the weight of the shipment, let me say 678. The packages, let me put the package as gold. Now the product, okay, let me say product, let me just put gold also. Now payment method, let me select cash. The user pays in cash. Then go to Courier. I'll choose my own company. Departure time, so let me say exactly let me just put this time for departure. Destination, going to Nigeria. Good. Pickup time, user's pickup time should be this. Then this section here, this is a courier. Let me just say big giant tech Okay, you can use your abbreviation if you still want that, but just leave it this way. Then mode, I'll select. We've already selected air freight, so I'll go to air freight again. And the quantity of the gold section is, so let me say 34. Now total air freight. Total air freight um, should be a calculation of this quantity and this, but the total air freight will just put. Let me just say the total air freight should be the maximum hours of time. It depends. Let me just say 48. Now, carrier reference number. Just put something like this. Good. Select origin. Now, the current location of this parcel right now is United States. Now, the pickup date. Now, this is the pickup time. This is destination. The pickup date should be tomorrow. Expected delivery date. No, the pickup time date should be today. Expected delivery date should be tomorrow. Comment. Your parcel they get to you tomorrow. Good. So, how the quantity of this quantity we added how many quantity back then? It's 34. Piece type should be the type of package you want. Let me say in carton. Description. Go length. Just put the length, weight, height. The weight we added the weight of 6, 7, 8. You can also delete this if you want, so I'll just leave it this way. Now I can see the volume and the total weight. Good. To add an image, external image URL, meaning you have to upload this image somewhere else. You understand, and add this URL for featured image from board. I'll just select this select featured image and I'll use this as our image for tracking. It should be our tracking image also. You don't have category, you can have the new categories if you want. Let me just put this as heavy duty. Add this as a parent category. Good. Now you can add tags if you want. Let me say heavy duty. Okay, separate by commas. Add this. Then here should be, let me say air freight. Just something like this. So you come back to this current status, and this is the time, and the current location. Let me say current location should be New York. United States. Good. Select. Let me give yes, please. Select status. Now this is picked up. You get it. It's picked up. Item picked up. So ensure your informations are correct. Just go through your informations and wow, we're good to go. So I'll come back here and click what. Come to this publish section and click what. Click on publish. So we've created our shipment. So let me check my emails. Let's see if we got an email. Good. Let me go. This is it. Now this email delivered undelivered is still one I created, which is the client the client agent and employee. I didn't create the email normally. So this is for admin. This is for the users. Why is it coming here? But I'll come back to this section. Then copy this information and go to your website. Click on this and track results. You can see, so it's best you don't put it here. So let me just go to track shipment. Should be a link, take them to track shipment and paste it here and track results. Now you can see how it is, right? This is nice. This is good. So this is how the tracking is. You can see shipment status picked up. You can see the package, the delivery time. Now this is it. Item picked up already. Current location. Now you can also print this receipts. Print this track results, which is a print receipt, which is good. So now I can see we didn't get an email for the user section. So go back to admin, go to WP Cargo, go to client email settings. Go to client email settings. Let's say copy this this is the name of the receiver, right? Copy the receiver information. Copy this, and once you do, come to mail to change this to the receiver name. You understand? You're sending this to the receiver. Now the shipper name is the courier company itself. Now WP Cargo _ receiver email. So copy this information. You can mail to the receiver email. Yeah, this is it. The receiver email. Okay. This is domain email normally. This is for the domain. Now this is the receiver email. Because the last time we did this, we did not touch this section, so users won't get email. Now WP Cargo tracking number, yes. The shipper name, who is shipping it. Yeah, this is okay. Then click on save changes. So go back to add shipment. Let's update that shipment. Go to all shipments. So hope you guys are still watching my video. Please, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my YouTube. Now come to this section, go to edit. So once you come to edit, so you just come to, you can edit orders if you want. Just come to this section and update location. I'm saying New York. Take this to Dubai and select in transit. Then go to update. Good. So let me see if I have an email. You can see the email as just. You can see the email now. Dear shipper name. Why the shipper name isn't coming? We'll come back to this section. So this is it. So after you've done this section, go back to here. So let me retract this information. You can see Dubai. So go back again to this section. Go to WP Cargo. Go to the client email settings. Let's find out why the shipper name is not showing. Okay. Now this is the tracking number. This is dear shipper's name. Shipper's name, that is wrong. So copy this information. Copy this WP Cargo. WP Cargo shipper's name. So you can actually customize this section if you want to add more text to it, so give it fitting. Now click save changes. So let me just go back for the last section, which is go to all shipments. Let's re-update this shipment one more time. So let me just change this to Nigeria. Mr. Lagos. Lagos, come on, Nigeria. I'll click on select type. I'll just say um delivered. Your item has been delivered. I'll click on update. Sorry, my network. Let me just redo this again. We'll continue this section. Good. So it has been updated. Let me go back to, you can see just got an email. Now you can see the settings here, it has changed to the shipper's information. So this is how you do it. It's quite easy though. Now the user will copy this information and come to the tracking page and retract this information. Now this is it. You can say this is it. So guys, if you like my video, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment to my YouTube channel. Yes, subscribing to my channel is very important to me. It enables me to continue to provide you awesome videos like this. There are more videos to come, more tutorials to come, more tips to come, more free videos to be able to get your business started and running. So this is the final section of this video. Thank you guys for watching my video.